Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I did an intro with this style, since the winter time when I did the basketball games, and I don't think I actually did for football games, but for the basketball games in the winter was the last time I did this type of intro. So anyway, today, let's actually flip it around, or can I flip it around? There it is. Okay, so today we're at the Sussex County Miners. Doubleheader today. Yeah, last night was rained out. And yeah, if you didn't see my Rockland video at the end, I did mention that I was going to start going to a lot more games, especially with Miners and Patriots because they're local. And I could have started doing this a long time ago. Well, not that long, but about a month ago. Because that's when I first turned 18, so you know all the New Jersey laws are pretty much gone with driving. So the reason why I waited is because I was way behind. I'm still a tiny bit behind, but I'm a lot more caught up than I was, and I'm only a couple days behind, a couple games behind now, so it's not bad. So that's why I decided to start this series with going to as many games as possible. But yeah, hopefully I didn't miss too much in the games. I could have been here but wasn't. I was here the 21st. 22nd they had a doubleheader on a Sunday. They had a good play where, I forget who it was, but a player scored from a sacrifice fly where he was on second. So, missed out on that. But hopefully I didn't miss out on too much. Like I said, weather is kind of iffy for today. But like I said, it is a doubleheader, so this will be two videos that I'm filming today. One at 5 and hopefully one around 7 or 7:30, assuming that the rain holds off. And yeah, let's get inside.
With a large inventory of CST pavers and retaining wall, there's CST's flagship dealer in Sussex County, offering delivery for a new backyard place located behind home plate here at Skylands Stadium. You can tag around the Miners Express. Your caps. First, for the playing of O Canada, followed by the Star Spangled Banner. As we'll take a quick look at the Miners' defensive alignment for today's game. Postponed. Anybody with tickets for this afternoon's games will be able to use it for the doubleheader, which will be tomorrow beginning at 5:05, when the Miners take on the same Ottawa Champions in 2 7-inning games starting at 5:05 tomorrow afternoon.
So, we got postponed. We're coming back tomorrow, 5 o'clock. It only took them almost 3 hours in a rain delay to finally decide to postpone it, so that's always nice.
And this game is a continuation from yesterday's doubleheader. We resume this game in the bottom of the first. Champions lead 1-0. Second innings are brought to you by iHeartRadio.
Ready? Let's see it. He's eyeing up his shot. All right. It's been a couple months since they played golf. No, you cannot throw the ball. A putt will do.
No hand with this.
All right, Lowell, let's see what you got. He hits it. It's strong. It goes right off, about a foot off the green. Joanne, can you do any better? Let's see it. All right. Eyeing up. Got a good test swing. Her putter shot slightly shorter. Here's a hit. Ooh! Right at the right marker, ladies and gentlemen! Joanne is our winner. Give her a big round of applause. That has been the Skyview Golf Challenge.
Now batting, shortstop number 3, Jared McDonald. Final score brought to you by Rematch Platinum Group. Once again, Rematch brings you home. The designated hitter, Sebastian Boucher.
Surprise! Congratulations! You just won a bouquet of flowers courtesy of iBrainy Custom Floral Design for all your wedding needs. She'll knock you out of the park. Sean, back up to you.
Yeah, curve. Ooh.
We have tennis ball relay. I am here with Mackenzie and Jack. Guys, as soon as I say go, you're going to run out to the first ball, bring it back to your hoop, go to the second one, bring it back. The first one have both tennis balls in their hoop and stand inside the hoop wins. Are you guys ready? On your mark, get set, go! And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Who's it going to be, Mackenzie or Jack? We got one ball in each hoop. They're going for the final stretch. Jack has a little bit of the lead. Mackenzie is close behind. He's in the hoop. Jack is our winner. Everybody, a big round of applause for both our contenders. That has been the Ivy Rehab Tennis Ball Relay. All right, everybody, it's now time for another lucky seat giveaway. Herbie's in section J trying to catch his breath, and he's going to go over to find a lucky seat winner to give a beautiful gift bag courtesy of Front Porch Organics located in Sparta. All right, Herbie, you're all the way down. Oh, you hit the net. Who are you going to get the bag to? Congratulations! You guys have just won a gift bag courtesy of Front Porch Organics located in Sparta.
Sebastian Boucher has been walked intentionally, now batting right fielder Steve Brown. Those runs scored brought to you by Remax Platinum Group. Once again, Remax brings the Miners home.
9, 8. You guys been fast as that. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep on spinning. 3, 2, 1. All right, put your bets down. Head toward the finish line. Oh man, they're dizzy. They're flailing. But Brian got there just before Gage. A big round of applause for Brian. That has been the Dominic's Dizzy Dash.
Ladies and gentlemen, now coming in to pitch for the Miners, right-hander, number 32, Alhaj Muhammad. The final score of game number 1, the Miners 4 and the Ottawa Champions 3. And with that victory, the Miners have set yet another record, consecutive home victories. 2 for 3 with a new club record in single season stolen bases. Number 21, Breland Almadova will be our Game 1's Miner of the game.